Do you have a minute? Follow me. I know almost everything there is to know about avionics components. I'm proud that we're so focused on sharing knowledge and humanity in our company. Our friendly, experienced team delivers very efficient, high-quality services. We inspect, maintain, and repair all the latest generation avionics components using state-of-the-art processes and test benches. We are always improving our products and developing new repair technologies to lower costs and shorten turnaround times. I'm honored to be part of a global group serving leading Asian airlines.